Hey everybody, it's Jenny, and I am going to share with you today my Cocoa Daisy new chapter kits. I am really excited about these, and I want to tell you two things. First, I really do love these. I try very hard to be honest about my opinions about products, and I really love these. So if you hear me say that a lot, it's because I genuinely love these kits a lot. Two, I ripped right into them, so you'll see some messiness because of that. And I also purchased some of these items in addition to getting some of these in my design team kit. I really love the kits. I wanted to add some of the ones that I didn't get. So let's get started and take a look. So it always comes wrapped with this cute tissue paper, which of course is, but the packaging is good. It also comes with a cute little card and then tells a little bit of the story and the inspiration behind the kit from the owner, Christine. This is the Memory Keeping Classified Kit, and there are some really amazing items in here. So let me pull this out. Okay, so let's start with the little bits so I don't lose them. It comes with two little buttons, flare as scrapbookers call them. The back is flat, so you could use adhesive and adhere it to a paper clip or directly to your paper with like a glue dot or something, or a little magnet. Look, really cute, right? Okay, so then there is also this Dina Wakley mixed media acrylic paint, which you'll see in a minute. I'll point it out why this is really cool, but it's very exciting and I'm looking forward to giving it a try. Now there are these vellum words that spell out New Year 365. You can see them right there. So here's my index finger for reference. So it's about, 3/4 of my finger. I don't really know how long that is, but they're very cool and I think this is going to look amazing. I really like these ombre alphabet stickers. I think they're going to be fantastic in my planner, and I love that they are black and gray, so it makes them super versatile. Some little words, phrase stickers, and then there is 3 sheets of patterned paper. So you can see here, this one looks like ledger paper, and then on the inside it's got this beautiful splatter and really contrast watercolor looking paper. Now this is the paper that I was talking about with that black acrylic paint, because you see it looks like black paint splatters. I think it's all going to work together really well. Then we have these adorable little birds, and you're going to hear me talk about the little guy with the hat and the scarf quite a bit because I think it's super cute. And then look, all that typography, I love it. And then last but not least, there is this paper with the plus signs, and then on the inside the cute, bright, cheerful daisies. Okay, so that was the classified memory keeping kit. This is the planner kit, and I ordered it without an insert. You can choose an insert to go with it as well, which was a mistake because a couple days ago I went back and I added an A5 Traveler's Notebook insert because I have no chill, and I absolutely love this kit and decided that I needed it. But oh well. So I should have just ordered it, and I thought about it, but then I thought, oh no, I'm going to be good. I don't need to order that. Yeah, that was a bad choice. Okay, so this kit is full of amazing things. So this is a really awesome gel pen. The ink is really good, and then you can see in the center it's got the black little things. And then on the clip it says Cocoa Daisy, and then the top has a cute little daisy, and it comes in this box. But like I said already, I ripped it open. I couldn't help myself. Washi tape, it has a variety of phrases on it, and then it also has the paint splatters. This very cool planner bag, and I absolutely love the tassel too. It's so cute. All right, so then sticky notes, adorable, right? A whole bunch of die cuts, and actually these have adhesive on the back too, so they don't even have to be die cuts. They're really just like sticker flakes. So cute. So we've got some phrases and some tabs. Heck, let's open them up and show you. Not all of them, I'll just show you a few. Okay, so you've got tabs, of course, because they're very cute, but then you have like this heart, for example, be the writer of your own future, those, plus the addition of the birds, just all really, really cute, right? So, and like I said, they have adhesive on the back. You just peel the little back off and they're sticky, and it's great adhesive. And I actually just learned this, so who knew? Well, okay, apparently everybody knew but me, but that's okay. But now I know. So those are adorable. Okay, so these are the little bird puffy stickers, and the dimension on these is really cute. I like the length of it, or the height of it, excuse me. And then again, there's the cute little guy with the scarf and the hat. All right, so the kit also comes with 2 pen refills. Look how cute those are, right? Just little things, like sort of functional things to use in your planner. Then you also have for your tab stick, or for the tabs that we talked about already. However, if you don't have to use these as tabs. The cool part about it is that I have used these just on my planner pages. Little notepad. I keep these on my desk every month, so I switch it out when a new kit comes, and I literally just write down things I need to jot down. Like, for example, like, oh, I read a quote, I want to remember that, I jot it down. Oh, my list for today, oh, what I'm going to journal about, things like that. So I actually use these, I don't hoard these. Some stickers, dates, days of the week and dates. And then this is my favorite sticker sheet because A, it's always really clever, but then I love that we have recycling stickers. I love that we have trash stickers, laundry, really super useful stickers right here. And I love that about this kit. Okay, and so then last but not least, we also have the pattern paper. It's the same as the memory keeping one that I already showed you. And if you're thinking, Jenny, I don't even know what I would do with patterned paper. Well, dashboards, dividers. I use it for my memory planner. You can use it for your regular planner too. I think I showed that to you in my Plan As I Go last week or the week before when I used the Cocoa Daisy kit. It's really easy to use patterned paper in your planner. You don't even really have to have any special tools, maybe a punch or something. Okay, so now this is the brand new modern memory keeping kit. And I'm really excited to look through this a little bit more. I did look through it, obviously, because as I mentioned before, I ripped everything open, but I have not had a chance to really dive in, so I'm looking forward to having that opportunity. Okay, so it has a roll of black and white chevron tape, which is great because I personally love high contrast. I think you know that. Okay, some really cute die cuts, and again, I love die cuts, so you do hear me talk about how much I love them on a regular basis, but it's true because I love die cuts. So there's a lot of really high contrast ones in here, the black and white and stuff, but then there's also beautiful colors as well. So like you see the aqua right there, and then lavender and light green. I think these are going to end up being awesome. And also, just like the other die cuts, they have adhesive on the back. So you don't even need a tape runner. All right, now these are super cool. These are, look, little wood veneer, little scribble circles. These are going to be really pretty. Sticky notes, talk about amazing. This is going to be fabulous for keeping track of things. Really versatile. A super cute stamp set. I'm really loving this Worry Less, Smile More. Okay, so now these are the pocket cards that come in the kit. These are the 3x4 cards. You could review just about anything with this one. This says, trust the timing of your life, if you're not able to read it. Isn't that pretty? I hesitate to put this one down because remember, we kind of all said this at the beginning of 2020. I love this color. This is also really cute. And so for something like this, I think that where the text is, you could totally trim this down and put it in a box of your Happy Planner if you use a Happy Planner or a planner that's very similar. The size of this looks to me like it would work. I love this one. It's so graphic, but then it's got the colors too. So pretty. Same thing with this. Which side will I use? And I love that pencil. The black and white polka dots. This is cool because you could really document what you've got going on, especially with like if you're doing any Zoom schooling or working from home or those types of things because of the pandemic. Life is so different right now. Pretty. And I love these calendar cards. I use them every month in my planner just to keep track of the month. This is so cool. What a great phrase. This would be awesome to like put up at your desk or something to remind you to seize the moment. Okay, so those are the 3x4 cards. Glitter dots, so pretty. I love those colors. Okay, now these are the 4x6 cards. This phrase is probably like my favorite thing. Okay, now these are chipboard stickers, so they do have depth to them, or dimension, if you will. I often, if I use these in the planner, these peel apart so you can peel the top part with the image off of the actual chipboard, and it makes them a lot flatter. Not totally 100% flat, but I do that a lot in my planner because I don't like the bulk. These are puffy stickers. Okay, so now these are some 6x8 patterned papers, and this one is so pretty. We haven't seen this one yet. We saw it on that card, but not on the patterned paper. And then this is a, can you see that? It's a beautiful sort of aqua watercolor chevron. I love this. It's so cool. And then the back is this grid. The black with the white. And then another chevron pattern. And then there's 2 of each sheet of paper. So you can see we've got another one of each of those. And then you receive some 6x8 sheets of white cardstock, which is great because who knows? I love to use white cardstock in almost every single project, so it's nice to have that handy. Now, Christine has also included directions on how to create a New Year mini album as well. So it's all right here. Look at that. You don't have to even use your phone or your computer, which I love that because sometimes we get a little wrapped up in technology, am I right? Okay, so some more of the items that I got. This is a simple Dori. So it's a Cocoa Daisy Traveler's Notebook insert. Now you're thinking, okay. So look, the inside has the beautiful patterns and blank pages. So I think that you could totally use this for planning if you're a person who plans in a traveler's notebook. Or you could use it for journaling or for scrapbooking. I'm really excited. I'm hoping to do I haven't decided if I'll use this for like January memory keeping or if I will use it for maybe the whole year because I do really love these patterns a lot. So I just haven't decided. So you can see it's really cool and it's a great size and all those beautiful patterns. Oh wait, I didn't see that one. What's that one? Oh, that's so cute. Do you see that? Love it. Okay, so that's really awesome and I like that a lot. Now, let's see what goodies are in here. Oh, and it also, I'm sorry, I lost it. Comes with the little binder ring so that you can create that mini album that you got the instructions for. All right, so now in this bag are several things. One, a stamp set. I always love alphabet stamps, and look at how completely neutral these are. Like you could use these for so many different things. I'm really loving them. They're a little bit larger than an inch tall, so I'm not sure I'm going to be able to use them in my memory planner without photos, but they're a great font. I love it. Okay, so now I have 3 sticker sets here because, you know, who doesn't love stickers? All right, so we're going to start with this one. This is the memory keeping sticker set. Okay, so in here, you see this right here. It's got some prompts. And then it also has alpha stickers, which you know I love those. It has some decorative stickers, but then also some tabs and different things for just writing different stuff on there. These are those words and also prompts. And then these will be great for redating my planner, and then also some more decoratives. And then now these boxes fit in the big Happy Planner boxes. Mic drop. Love it. So excited about that. Same thing with these too. Super cute, right? And these clear stickers. How cute. These are really what sold me. I absolutely love them. I'm really looking forward to using this kit. Okay, so then I also get the planner sticker kit. This one, for me, is kind of the workhorse because it has all of the things I love in it. So including the bullet stickers, which I love bullet stickers, and those are really good ones. We have some decorative full boxes. We have checklists, trackers, and then little things like, oh, what you ate for dinner or TV, those types of things. Half boxes, quarter boxes, hydration trackers, prompts, and like little stickers for activities. Look how cute, right? Icons, because I can personally never get enough icons. And then you also have some decorative stickers. And then some more boxes. For me, some of these are definitely decorative and for layering, but I do love using these for planning. But I use all of these really. And then my favorite, the washi strips. I love these because you can add a little tiny swatch of decoration, but I didn't feel like, oh, you bought a huge roll of washi that I'm never going to use the whole thing. So washi strips are some of my favorites because I don't feel so wasteful. Okay, and last but not least, this is one of the new subscriptions. This is the Daisy add-on sticker kit. And I purchased this one because I love the stickers, I'm not gonna lie. I love these decorative ones, they're so cute. And then it's, again, got some of the word stickers down here. Look at that. I'm gonna love writing stuff in there, so cute. All of the stickers, can never get enough. And then last but not least, these are very similar to those last ones I showed you on the clear sticker paper. And then we've got washi strips too. Obviously, you don't need every single one of these kits, but first of all, who am I to tell you that? Because clearly I felt the need to, because I purchased several of these in addition to the ones that I get in my design team box. But they are all really cute. I'm going to put all the links for these individual kits down below, and then also the link to subscribe to the Cocoa Daisy kits. I think that the value and the adorable exclusive art is completely worth it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them in the box below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thank you so much, and make it a great day.